This is not a paid review. I bought this with my own money. This is the SLIK PRO 700DX tripod. It's made of aluminum, designed and engineered in Japan, but made in Thailand. Let's open it up. Padding. Comes with a carrying case. No, here's an Allen wrench, owner's manual, warranty information, and specifications. It's got foam padding wrapped around here, probably to keep your hands somewhat warmer if it's cold, because aluminum does conduct or accumulate the cold. It's got an adjustable collar here. There's it. Adjustable sleeve here. Does have a 3/8 inch adapter for your ball head or whatever else you want to put on there. Adjustment screws. Farther out. That's what it's doing. Flip up latches, and adjustable. I went with aluminum instead of lightweight carbon fiber, because aluminum to me is a little bit more durable and it's going to last a lot longer. In case you drop something on, at least you ain't going to crack and break. But I don't know about that, but specifications here. Length folded 30 inches, max operating height 74.7 inches, max center column extended 14.9 inches, weight 8.1 pounds. It's got a 3-year warranty on it, which that's good. Really good. I bought. good. Probably can't see it from that height. Oh well. I don't know when I do videos like this. I'm just learning as I go. And this is the SLIK PRO 700DX tripod. It is heavy, but to me, metal's a lot more durable than plastic, and my other one's pretty plasticky. But it works. Well, I've got it right now on my GoPro hooked up to my tripod. Sorry about that, but my battery died. Had to put a new battery in. I get that back to this. Yes, to me, this is a much heavier tripod than I'm used to, but to me, it's going to be a lot more. Seems to be a lot more durable material that's made out of. And plus, I also believe this is very popular with people mounting their guns to it too. So, which also says something about the strength of it. And the tripod can also be, legs are also adjustable. We go out where you can be really low to the ground if you want to. I'll do another video on this when I get this a little bit more better, but that's enough of me bumbling around.